Comparison between a woman and a matchbox. Both woman and matchbox are simple and cute in appearance. They are meek and innocent in nature. Both carry gunpowder inside them. Like a matchbox, woman also has enough power to burn everything. Both woman and matchbox hide their strength inside their fragile appearance. Matchbox produces a fire that is life-giving. A woman is also a life-giver in her family. The light from a matchstick removes darkness. Likewise, motherly affection of a woman lights the entire family. As the fire purifies metals, a mother's guidelines purify her children. Matchbox holds all the matchsticks together inside a box. A woman holds all members of a family together with the note of love. Every member of a family makes use of a woman and a matchbox. People pay no attention and care to both women and matchboxes. A matchbox with explosive gunpowder is placed anywhere and everywhere, even in one's pocket. Like that, women are also treated like puppets in the hands of men. If we use a matchbox carelessly, it may lead to destruction. Similarly, if a woman is provoked, she may explode and cause destruction. In brief, a woman and a matchbox are capable of being both good and bad. The person who handles makes them destructive or constructive. Character sketch Nomita. Nomita, a young married woman, is the protagonist in the short story Matchbox written by Asha Purnadevi. She is the one and only daughter of a poor widow. The pretty Nomita is fortunate to get an alliance from a wealthy joint family. Her mother as well as other villagers think that her husband Ajit is a good fellow and Nomita lives like a queen in his joint family. It is true that her husband's big 3-storied house is a heaven compared to her own small dilapidated house. Ajit also thinks that there is no reason for Nomita to be unhappy in his house. But there is another side to her story. Nomita is a woman of self-respect and dignity. She wishes her husband accept her individuality and privacy. Ajit's habit of reading letters addressed to her provokes Nomita. In spite of her offences and reproaches against this habit, Ajit argues that he has the right over his wife. When he becomes dubious about her character, she loses her self-control and turns out furious. Moreover, his contemptuous attitude towards her poor mother hurts her. Like all other women, Nomita also doesn't like her husband humiliate her family. She shouts at her husband when he insults her mother. When the pain and anger inside her burst out, she attempts a suicide. Here we understand, more than physical comforts and conveniences, Nomita expects emotional support and security from her husband. Nomita is a dutiful daughter who believes that it is her responsibility to support her poor and lonely mother. Unfortunately, her mother's begging nature creates chaos in her marriage. At a point, She even blames her mother for disgracing her dignity. But it doesn't last long. Her financial dependency forces her to send a few rupees to her mother in secret from the pocket money she gets from Ajit. Nomita represents multifaceted women. She knows how to behave in a joint family. She is a straightforward woman who gives replies directly, unlike other members in the family. At the same time, she tells innocent lies to hide her problems. We see how beautifully she hides her emotions in front of her sisters-in-law. After the turmoil inside her bedroom, she puts a veil of smile to conceal the painful truth. There we see the quality of Nomita to adapt herself to the situation. She doesn't like to bring out the true color of her husband in public. She is careful not to break Ajit's image as a good and broad-minded husband. Though Nomita is modern in her thoughts and attitudes, she follows the manners and customs of a conservative joint family. She is smart enough to walk a tightrope between her husband and mother. Thank you.